Hi friends, today I am going to say about Max 1P and also chapter 3 straight line. Today I am going to explain the formulas, about formulas. Today, first, straight line will be formed with dots. Yes or no? Yes, they will form a line. This is called a straight line. In previous classes, we have learned in ninth, 10th, the straight line equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the equation we have learned in the previous classes. And let us see what this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is origin 0, 0. Let us consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let us take x-axis. Consider x-axis. So x some value 1 equal and y-axis 0 and 2 y-axis 0. This is the equation. And let us take one point at the 1. What we consider 1 comma 0. Y-axis should be 0. And next what 3. Let us take 3 comma 0. Let us consider 5 comma 0. This is the x-axis is 0 and y-axis is considered some value. Let us take y-axis. On y-axis, let us consider this point. Okay, value is x-axis 2 comma 4. This is a fixed value on the y-axis. Let 5 consider. Let we get what 5 comma 4. So y-axis considered 2 points, so y equal to 4. This is the equation with solving the method. Okay. Stop. Of equation of x-axis is what equation of this is the x-axis, y-axis. Okay. So y equal to 0, x some point, y some point 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the value? 1 comma 0. X equal to 0. So x-axis is y equal to 0. Next, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of line parallel to x-axis is y equal to, we consider some value, no. Again, equation of line parallel to y-axis is x equal to k. This is the formulas. When the x-axis is parallel to 0, then we consider the k. Y value is a constant and equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x equal to some constant and y equal to 0. That is the equation. And this is y-axis. Okay. This is perpendicular line. This contains theta and it depends upon only x-axis, no? This is the point x1 comma y1 and this is the point x2 comma y2. Okay. Slope depends slope depends on angle. What is an angle? M equal to tan theta. This is the slope formula. And next, slope of y1 and y2 and x1 and y1. So, slope formula m equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. This is the formula. When the points are given, this is the formula. Equation of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the formula? M equal to minus x coordinate by y coordinate equals minus a by b. This is the when the equation will, this is the slope, and when the points is given, this is the slope. When the theta is given, this is the m equal to tan theta. This is the one x-axis and this is the y-axis. They are two perpendicular line called, these are corresponding angles L1 and L2. We consider theta 1 and theta 2. These are corresponding angles. The angles both are equal. These angles are called corresponding angles, parallel lines. So these are parallel lines. M1 equal to M2. Tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 2. These are called corresponding angles of slope formula, and this one angle, x-axis, y-axis. This is the some x to y-axis one perpendicular line, and y to x also some perpendicular line. This we consider this is L1 and this is L2. Okay, these are perpendicular lines, which is considered theta 1, and this is considered, this rotate in anti-clockwise, no? So we should come this like this time tan theta and theta 2. These are perpendicular lines. Okay, what is the formula for perpendicular lines? Theta 1, this is the angle 1, rotate 90 degrees. Let us apply tan theta. Tan theta 1 minus theta 1 minus theta 2 equal to tan pi by 2. Tan A minus B, one formula is there. Tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is the formula we want to use. Let us consider tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 by 1 plus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to tan pi by 2. Not defined. 1 plus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. So these are 0. So tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to minus 1. So what theta 1 we consider m1. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This is the one formula of the when lines are perpendicular, when lines are parallel. Slope intercept form. This is x-axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Slope intercept form. Slope is intersect from y to x-axis. This line we will call M slope and y-intercept is C. Y-intercept is C and x-intercept is 0. So y equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form. Second one, this is x-axis and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. That is a line. This consider x-axis is A, y-axis B and this is also M. So x-intercept A, y-intercept B. So intercept form of a line. Intercept form of a line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This is the intercept form of the formula. Point slope form. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is a long perpendicular to the line called M slope and the point x1 comma y1 on a line. So point slope form is slope form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the point slope form. Okay. Next 2 point form. 2 points form. This is x-axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the pan perpendicular to the line. This we call M. This consider x1 comma y1 and this consider x2 y2. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 to x minus x1. This is the formula of 2 intercept form.